Hey there. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java with Visual Studio Code. Let's dive right in. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your favorite browser. Once it is opened, then click on the search bar. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Make sure it's the blue one, not the purple one. Then just click on this blue download button. This will take you to the download page. Once your VS Code setup has finished downloading, click on it to install. Accept the agreement, click on Next, and make sure all of these options are checked. You definitely want to enable that desktop icon. Click Next and then just click Install. Alright, so now that you have Visual Studio Code installed, let's go ahead and install Java. First thing I'm going to do is click on Windows search button. And then type in cmd to open the command prompt. Then, type in Java version. As you can see, I get this message which basically means I don't have Java installed on my computer. Then type Java version. Then hit enter. As you can see, I get this message which basically means I don't have Java installed on my computer. So let's close this. Then go to your browser. Within the same download page, on the left side where it says Overview, find Java from the list. Then give it a click on Java. Then, click on the first option, Getting Started. This should take you to the Getting Started with Java in VS Code page. Here, under Coding Pack for Java, you want to install the one for your computer. In my case, I have Windows, so I'm going to click on the first one. If you have a Mac, click on the second one. Once you finish downloading the coding pack, click on it to install. Accept the agreement and then click Next. This coding pack for Java includes the JDK, Java Development Kit, Visual Studio Code, and the Java extensions for Visual Studio Code. It says OK here because we've already installed Visual Studio Code. Just click Install. After you finish installing the coding pack for Java, you can check this box to open Visual Studio Code or uncheck it if you want. Click Finish. I'm going to check it so that it opens up Visual Studio Code. Now, let's verify the Java installation. Click on Search, type in cmd, open up the command prompt, and type in Java version again. You can see we now have Java installed on our computer. Then type Java version. You can see we now have Java installed on our computer. Alright, so now within our Visual Studio Code, let's create a new file. Click on File up here on the top left corner. Then click on New File, or you can do it from here. I'm going to name it test.java and save it on my desktop. Don't forget the Java file extension. Here, I'm just going to add some starter code for Java. I've added my starter code. And as you can see, I have the option to click Run here. But I can also do it from here using this play button. So, I'm just going to click on Run. As you can see that our code is running. Another thing you can do is create a Java project. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P at the same time, type in Java Create, and you should see this option Create Java Project. Click on this. For now, click on the first option No Build Tools. I'm just going to create this on my downloads and name it Java Project. Within the src folder, you see this app.java. You can click on this to run it. So, that's how you set up Java with Visual Studio Code. If this tutorial worked for you, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.